What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel, and today we do have an exciting video for you. Monday, March 10th, and we are going over some unbeatable deals available at Costco online. All these deals are clearance. I made a nice little fusion video. If you did enjoy it, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. In the number one spot from Bayside, we have their infrared electric fireplace stove heater. Now, this heater does have amazing reviews at Costco.com. It's 1,500 watts, 5,200 BTUs, has an infrared quartz heating element. Now, it does plug into a standard 120 volts, has three unique colors of flames, has orange, blue, and it even has a mix, as we can see here. Also has a three-sided glass window, so you can see the flame effects from all three sides. You can use it with or without heat. It's priced at $49.97 on clearance here at Costco.com. In the number two spot from Moen, we have their Verso. Now, this is their 7-inch rain shower spray head. Super easy to install. No need to pay anybody. You pretty much unscrew the old one, screw on the new one, hand tight with a little Teflon tape, and you are good to go. The 7-inch spray face does provide a full face coverage experience. It's pretty nice. You can see how large it is. Now, it does fit most standard shower arms. It's very easy. Definitely a DIY project. Has that infinity dial. Now, this unit is backed by Moen's lifetime warranty, which is great. I do love the nickel color on it, and it's super cheap here at Costco.com. You can pick it up for $29.97. In the number three spot, this time from Dynacraft, we have their Power Slide, their 24-volt trail rider. Now, the reviews on this are mixed and match, a lot of negative ones, but maybe you could work around that. Now, keep in mind, you are going to purchase it at Costco, so their return policy is unbeatable, has working LED lights, headlights, fog lights, even comes with a parental remote control, which is nice. It's on clearance, has those nice EVA foam tires, has a low speed, has a high speed, even has a reverse function. Now, this is definitely recommended for the ages of 3+, and it's on clearance here at Costco.com for $199.97. I do believe the original price here at Costco.com was about $500, and then at the warehouse was about $400. But correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. You can pick it up now for $199.97. And moving on, friends, from NutriBullet, we have their Ultra Deluxe Single Serve Blender. Now, this blender does have pretty amazing reviews. A nice little set here on clearance, but the nice part is you can pick it up at Costco.com on clearance. Has a very powerful motor at 1,200 watts. Now, the blending cups are very nice. We get 4 of them total. They even give you 4 stainless steel straws, which are included. You get 2 32-ounce cups and then 2 24-ounce cups. They even give you 3 flip-top lids. Now, this unit is titanium coated with a stainless steel extractor blade, and also it comes with a nice 5-year limited time warranty, or limited warranty, shall I say. You can pick it up at Costco.com for $79.97. And keeping the party going, friends, let's move on to the number 5 spot from Rubbermaid. We do have their Power Scrubber, a 5-piece kit. Now, a lot of people love this kit. It does have 2 times faster cleaning power than a manual scrubber. Also, the head of it is oscillating, so it does spin like an Oral-B toothbrush, except this doesn't come in a 2-pack. It's a single pack, but it has a nice comfortable grip on it, ergonomic, and it even delivers 6 volts of power. We have different heads available. Comes with AA battery, so you can use it right out of the box and get going. Here at Costco, it's on clearance still at $9.97. If you don't feel like going to the warehouse, you can always pick it up at Costco.com for the same exact price. And we can see the reviews, not too bad at all. In the number 6 spot from Dash, we do have their multi-maker waffle system in front of us. Now, this unit does have removable plates, which is nice. They give you 7 in total. They even have holiday waffle plates. You get a Santa, a snowman, and a jack-o'-lantern. What's also cool is they give you a nice storage unit, a storage case, where you can put everything away nice and neatly. They even give you 2 mini griddle plates, which is nice. On clearance at Costco.com, you can pick it up there for $9.97. What also is nice about this unit, the removable plates are super easy to clean and they're dishwasher safe. Next up from Bird Rock, we do have their 18-inch grazing board, a beautiful board, I might add. Now, I do own this myself. I picked it up, but the only issue is I ruined mine because I thought I could cut on it a little bit, and you can't. It's very delicate, but it has that striking herringbone design. It's made out of acacia hardwood. They even give you a nice twine loop at the top of it. That way, if you want to hang it up on the wall, you can do so. Very nice cutting board. I love it, but keep in mind, friends, you cannot use it as a cutting board. You can pick it up here at Costco.com for $24.97. And now from Mattel, we have the classic card game bundle set that does come in a 6-pack. Here we have the classic Uno, Dos, Phase 10, House Rules, All Wild, and 99. Great for the ages of 7 plus. Now, as I was filming this, it did go out of stock at Costco.com for $14.97. Sometimes they do come back in stock, so you may want to check back later. And once again, friends, we are doing a giveaway. Do not forget to enter a free Lego backpack luggage set, a value of $114.99. Doesn't cost you anything to enter. All you got to do is make sure you subscribe to my channel. There will be a link in the description, a link in the comments section. Make sure you watch my Amazon video. I do leave a secret code in the Amazon video that it will give you an additional 3 entries. And for the Nintendo Switch, this game is only available at the warehouse at this price, $39.97 on clearance. At Costco.com, I have 2 games I want to show you. These are not on clearance, but the price is amazing. The Mario Kart for $29.99, amazing price. And then we have the Princess Peaches, $29.99. Both those games are a steal. They're going to sell out very, very fast. And next up from Miyu, we do have their 10-piece stainless steel measuring cups, and they do come with those nice polished finished spoons as well. Now the cups are very nice, and the spoons. The cups have a nice copper plated on the outside of them. They look amazing. The handles are riveted to the body. These cups and spoons look amazing. Nice set. Now these spoons are very nice, and the cups are nested, meaning they can stack on top of each other. $12.97 on clearance. You can pick it up at Costco.com for the same exact price. And now from Bridgestone, we have their lightweight stand bag. Now this bag is very nice. We have 2 different color variants. We have the black and then we have the blue and gray. Both of them look amazing. They have an American flag stitched right on it. Also looks amazing. Now it does have a 4-way club divider. We're going to pull one off the rack so we can take a better look at it. Let me see if I can get the stand to open as well. Now this bag is very nice, especially for the price point. Now at the warehouse, it's a little bit cheaper if you can find it at the warehouse, but still a great price at Costco.com. There it is, and the bag is super, super lightweight. Nice bag, nice flag. You can see it has 6 zipper pockets, has that 4-way club divider right on top. Great looking bag, has a large cooler pocket as well. You can pick it up for $79.97. 2 different colors to choose from. Now make sure you stay to the end of the video, friends, because I saved some of the good stuff for the end. Next up from Duracell, we have their 1500 lumen work lights. Now these do come in a 3-pack. They have a rotating base, which I love. Also another great feature is that they're rechargeable. They come with a lithium ion battery, which is included. They have a magnetic attachment on the back, which is great. And then another good thing about them, they also come with a carabiner clip attachment, which is also great. They even give you a USB-C cable, which is included, $19.97. Now, sometimes you do gotta be aware of Costco's original price with certain products, like this one right in front of us from Epson, the EcoTank ET 2850. Now, the original sale price, when this unit is on sale, the price is usually $199.99. Today, they marked it on clearance. All they did was put a 97 on the end of it, and a lot of people walk by and they're like, oh, wow, it's on clearance, when pretty much you're paying the exact same sale price that it's always at. So you do gotta be aware of that sometimes when you're shopping at Costco. They try to trick the consumer because not everyone can memorize the price. So here we have it. They put this on clearance, $199.97. That's only a 2-cent discount from the normal sale price. So you also can pick it up here at Costco.com. As we can see here, we have a $50 manufacturer rebate. That's good to the 30th of March for $199.99. And now from Build Fun, we do have their foam house on clearance. Now, I've seen this product on Marketplace once or twice. I feel like a lot of people bought it. They put it on Marketplace, trying to flip it for a quick 50. Now, a lot of you may ask yourself, well, I don't have this product. I've never seen it before. A lot of this stuff goes right away. They sell very quickly. A lot of resellers, they buy it. They sell it on Amazon, Marketplace, Mercari, all these different places people sell them. Includes 62 pieces. It's made from EVA foam, and it's great for the ages of 3+. Super easy to assemble, $99.97. Now, hopefully you are enjoying today's video. It did take me a long time to assemble. If you are enjoying it, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment below. Let me know your thoughts. Do you like it? I had to search through all my old footage. I had to go through some new footage, and then I had to go to Costco and film as well. Put everything together because a lot of these products are not even available at Costco anymore. You have to buy them at Costco.com. So make sure you hit the thumbs up button if you do enjoy it. Right in front of us for our little ones, we have the Reduced Coldie. They're 14-ounce tumblers. double wall vacuum insulated, keeps your drink cold for 24 hours, and then they have that patent top, the 3-in-1 top, lets you sip, drink, or gulp from it, $9.97. And now from Gourmet Settings, we have their Eternity and we have their Promise. This is their 45-piece flatware set. We have them both. So they're both 1810 stainless steel, dishwasher safe, and both of them are a service for 8. If you missed out on this deal, or maybe your local Costco didn't have it, now's the chance that you could pick it up at Costco.com. It's a little bit more money at Costco.com, but that's okay. The price is still amazing. If you want to roll the dice and wait a couple more weeks, maybe 2-3 more weeks, it may drop down. But as of now, you can pick it up for only $29.97. That's still an amazing price. Definitely buy it if you're in the market for a new flatware set. And now from Trudeau, and no, we're not talking about terrace, we're talking about silicone muffin trays here. Now this is their 12-count muffin tray that does come in a 2-pack. They have a patent metal structure, meaning there's a wire structure in the inside giving them that shape. Now these are great. If you want to make those Costco egg bites on your own, you can pick one of these up. You can make those little egg bites, throw them in, pop them out, and then you can use them as meal preps. They have that easy release. This is great for both sweet and savory treats. They're dishwasher safe. Great reviews at Costco.com. You can pick it up here. See right there, $14.97 for a 2-pack on clearance. And I did spot another clearance product at the original price. Now, the original price of this compressor, the Campbell compressor, is $139.99. It's the same price at Costco.com, except here at the warehouse, they marked it on clearance. All they did was put a 97 at the end of it. Now, it has an 8-gallon portable. It's an 8-gallon portable air compressor. It's very quiet. It's 65 decibels. Operates on 120 volts. Now, the max PSI is 125 on it. It's a nice compressor. It's lightweight. It's great for your household, perfect to pick up. But the clearance price is not that great, so keep that in mind. I would wait till it drops even more. Maybe like $59 or $79 is a good price. Wait till it drops more. But if you want to pick it up now, you can grab it at Costco.com for $139.99. Now, we've seen this on my channel a million times from Antigua. We have their 1860 luxury candle. It's a 90-ounce candle, has a burn time of approximately 150 hours, has 3 wicks, a soy wax blend. Very nice candle here. They have 2 different scents, but at my Costco, it's pretty much down to whatever we see here, so we only have 1 scent. We just have the amber. Now, a lot of people love this candle because they dropped down in price. The original price was about $100. It looks good on the coffee table. $39.97 is not a bad price. If you want a different option, different variants, you can head over to Costco.com, pick it up there. It's only $49.97. If you want to wait. It's probably going to drop down in price even more, so you could do that as well. Now, we just had this product on my last Costco video. It's down to $4.97 here at the warehouse from Lole. We have their unisex fleece belt bag. Now, the bag looks pretty nice. It's okay. They have the black and the cream available at the warehouse. Has a 2-way zipper. Also, the fabric is made out of nice fleece material. Looks okay. It's pretty decent. If you want a different color option, they have it at Costco.com. They have this nice copper color. But here, it's $4.97. At Costco.com, you can pick it up there for $14.97. A little bit more money, but some people may love this color that's not available at the warehouse. And don't forget about the promotion at the top. Buy 3, save 10. And what's a Costco video without a throw blanket from Life Comfort? We do have their artisan mix here. Now, this is their yarn throw blanket. It's 60 by 70 inches. We have 2 different color options here at the warehouse. If you have it at your local warehouse, you may have that 2-color option. At Costco.com, they only have the black available. It's 60 by 70 inches, 100% polyester. Now, this is machine washable for that easy care. Has that nice dual construction, that dual texture construction, which is nice. $9.97. You can pick it up here at Costco.com. Same clearance price as the warehouse, which everyone loves, and pretty great reviews as you can see. $9.97. And now from Orvis, we have the men's flannel shirt. They have 3 different color variants. They have the multi, they have the gray, and they have the blue. Right in front of us is the gray. So that one, they pretty much have all the sizes available at Costco.com. They have the small all the way up to 3XL, which is nice. They have the multi in 3XL. They have the blue in 3XL. A lot of size small available. This is a great shirt for $14.97. It's a regular fit, has 2 chest pockets with button flaps, and the side seams are nice as well. $14.97. And now from Weatherproof Vintage, we have the men's outdoor crew socks. Now these do come in a 5-pack, which is great. At Costco.com, they have the black, they have the multi available, same as at the warehouse. Now this is a great wool blend. They have that mesh ventilation, they're moisture wicketing. If you love to hike and you love to be outdoors, this is a great pair of socks to pick up. This is the time to grab it when they're on clearance. $7.97. That's a great price. If you have them at your local Costco, you can pick it up for $4.97. But here at Costco.com, they have the multi and they have the black available, $7.97. And now from Tramontina, we have their 4-piece tri-ply clad saucepan set. Now you only get 2 pots and 2 lids, so they call it a 4-piece. It's 1810 stainless steel, has that enhanced heat distribution, which is nice. It's compatible with all cooktops. And the inside of it, it does have interior measurements, markings on it. That way, if you're cooking a certain sauce, it has the measurements inside the saucepan, which is nice. Dishwasher and oven safe up to 500 degrees. Now, what do you get exactly? One's a 2-quart saucepan and one's a 4-quart saucepan. They both come with the lids. Very nice set. You can pick it up here at Costco.com for $39.97. A super popular body mist all over social media. We have the Nutrius. Now, I've seen this all over Instagram. I've seen it all over TikTok. And here we have it at Costco on clearance. The Nutrius body mist that does come in a 3-pack. Each bottle is 4 ounces. We have 3 different scents. We have the Berry Bliss, the Cocoa Bliss, and we have the Botanical Bliss. So all 3 different scents. It's at the warehouse currently now for $19.97. You can pick it up at Costco.com for the same exact price, $19.97. Now, we just saw this in yesterday's video, the flash deals for the week. We have the Flame Pro gas fire pit. It has that steel finish on the outside. At Costco.com, they pretty much have the same fire pit on sale, except it has a different finish on the outside. The finish on the outside has a beautiful hammer tone finish. You can see it right here. 65,000 BTUs, 6.5 hours of burn time. Has that beautiful lava glass on top. Pretty much the same specs, just a different finish. $349.97. Now, if you're in the market for a new trash can, check this one out from Kohler. It's 45 liters. It's a semi-round trash can in white. It's beautiful. Check out that price. Only $49.97. It's short, has a nice compact design, hands-free operation with the foot pedal, has a quiet soft close lid. It's a nice space-saving trash can in white. Definitely check it out at $49.97. Another awesome deal, this time from Simple Safe. We have their 10-piece home security system. Now, this is a great system with 3 months of free 24/7 professional monitoring. It's very simple to set up, almost effortless. You can arm it, you can disarm it, you can protect all from the app, which is great. It does include wireless outdoor camera with a 2-way audio, up to 24-hour backup life. This is a great price for $129.97. And let's not forget about the Tommy Bahama Solar LED Pathway Lights. Now, these have 30 lumens. They do come in a 6-pack. They're extra bright. They have that automatic dusk till dawn operation. We have 3 different variants to choose from. This one is $24.97. Now, this variant for Tommy Bahama comes in a 5-pack and only has 20 lumens. Has that beautiful light pattern, which does reflect on the ground. It also has the dusk to dawn operation as well. It's crafted with a beautiful metal construction, priced at $19.97. And then finally, we have the Tommy Bahama Smart Focus. Now, these are spotlights. They have that remote solar, and they do come in a 2-pack here. Now, the output is extra bright at 100 lumens, which is very bright. Has that automatic dusk till dawn operation as well, and it's crafted in a nice weather-resistant die-cast aluminum construction. You can pick these up for $19.97 for a 2-pack. Alright friends, end of the video here. If you did enjoy today's video and you do enjoy this type of content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We are a new channel. We need all the support we can get. We're growing faster every day, or every month, shall I say. So I do need the support. If you enjoyed today's video, you like my little fusion, leave a comment below, hit that thumbs up button, let me know your thoughts. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram if you have it, at Watch the Deal Finder. And don't forget to enter the giveaway. It's completely free. We're giving away a free Lego backpack luggage set. I am going to leave a link in the comments section, a link in the description. That way you can hit that link and follow the directions from there. We are going to do a new Sam's Club video coming very soon, because Sam's Club just announced their new instant savings book. So we'll do that coming up next. I'll see you tomorrow with a new video, friends. Peace.